Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. Today we're back at Anfield, of course. I kind of knew there was going to be a changeover with the back of the cop end. All the posters, the big players that were on there all season last, they've all come off. Big changes happening already. I know, I've seen the first part already, but I'll give you a clue. Incredible starlet played a pre-season World Cup game. Is a big part of it, so I'm glad he's there. I'm expecting he's going to have a massive season this season, so seems to be a lot of work going on outside the SKD stand. Well, I can't see from here, I'll get the drone up, but obviously that skip's been there for quite a few weeks now, full of various kind of rubbish, loose bricks and everything in there, so we'll also try and see what's going on there, because Anfield by the SKD stand has been closed ever since the concerts have been long gone, ever since the pitch has been laid. It never got reopened. That tells me there's some works going on somewhere, so we'll have a look at the pitch too, see how it's coming along, see if the groundsman's done a lot more to it, woven his magic, and then we'll end with how the cop end is looking with all the player changeovers. So as always, GreyBeard Media is your go-to channel. Anything that's happening around Anfield Stadium. We're going to run the intro. Don't forget to like, share, hype and subscribe please. You are helping this channel massively at the moment. Thank you so much for incredible support. Let's run the intro. This is Anfield Road. And welcome back everyone, we are walking up Anfield Road. The fan zone is open and there's fans inside enjoying. They were just singing one of my favourite songs. We are the supporters and we come from Liverpool. Ole, ole, ole. So people are in there enjoying themselves, which is what it's all about.
Right, try and get the ball in that net. You ready, Josh? Come on.
As we walk up Anfield Road, there's slight works going on the border. I did call it, didn't I?
Josh, could you stand on this
so
wall,
there's
please?
a guy further
Okay,
up
what's your name?
giving
Leon.
the borders of Anfield Road a bit of love and care, which is good to see. Every single part of the stadium matters in my opinion. So there's the one guy up there. Giving it a good clean up. So as the wind's coming in, it's like 20 mile an hour wind, but either way I'm going to launch my drone anyway. So leave that guy over there carry on doing what he's doing, cleaning up the borders. And we're going to get airborne. So without further ado, let's get the drone up. And welcome back everyone, we are airborne, so we'll start the back of SKD stand, so if you can see anything going on. I'm not guessing we will do. I'm guessing that's going to the pitch maybe, possibly. Something for the grass, some kind of treatment perhaps. There's a lot more skips and everything down at the bottom of the SKD stand there as well, so what's going on? Something's happening. What's that guy doing there? Something to do with the shutters? I don't know. Maybe he's just cleaning them by the looks of that. But I was just keen on what's all those building bags for and everything. So something's going on inside what we can't see, so I'm guessing. Obviously they haven't replaced those pictures yet, because the sooner we see the back of Arnie Slot, the better. That's all fenced off right by the stand as well, isn't it? They are pretty big skips they're needing, so something's going on in there. So, without further ado, we'll climb have a look at the pitch. It's like 20-mile-an-hour wind, but that's not too bad. We're under 2 weeks away now from the first game here at Anfield. And there's a tractor on the pitch. Yeah, I thought it was something for the grass. But every time I now look at the pitch, now every single time I come, it looks better and better. It looks absolutely immense, doesn't it? Beautiful. Let's climb a little bit. Now there's no sign of any kind of work on installation of John Holding's sculpture, you know, the famous bust. So as soon as we get any information or time schedule when that's going to happen, I guess we're still waiting on LCC clearance there. So we'll fly over the pitch and then we'll back off past the Cop end and show you how it's looking. Just one quick look on the seating situation here before we do. I'm not expecting any change, to be honest. No, it's all the same, isn't it, really? So let's start reversing over the Cop. That's why I wanted to take off in that little park by the Cop. Let's have a look who has made an appearance so far with the poster changeover for the coming season. And by the way, to start here, start dropping down. This is the Cop, of course it is. And like I said on the intro, there's Engamera in the middle there. I think Cody Gakpo. Gakpo's the other side. That's Gakpo, and then that'll be Gravenberch. So you've got Gravenberch, Engamera, and then Gakpo. So I'm guessing that was all done either this morning or partly done yesterday. The back of the Cop's already been stripped as well, so we're ready to go, and the far end's been stripped, and looks like they put a first part on there too. I think it's going to say something like Anfield there, and there's one player already up as well. You can make it out. I've got the sun in my eyes now, so I can't make it out on the screen. You'll probably spot it before me because the sun is just glaring on the screen right now. So that's where we're up to on the update around Anfield at the moment. The Cop is getting its changeover. There's works going on the SKD stand lower, probably inside around the floor, I don't know. And the pitch is looking stunning, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to rise up, back off from Anfield, and wrap it up here. See you all on the ground all. So we've landed a drone. Well, there's nothing going on the back of the Cop end yet, so maybe it's lunchtime, I do not know, but I'll be back Sunday morning. Maybe the whole of the back of the Cop end will be done by then. I'm not sure about the SKD stand one. We're moving on and stuff. Like I said, sooner the better. But we'll come back Sunday morning and see where we're up to. As you can see, the pitch is still getting worked upon. Some kind of treatment, I believe. So that pitch is looking beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Can't wait for the new season. So yeah, no sign of John Holding's sculpture returning as well. Like I said, so we touched up on a lot in that one video of things happening around Anfield. Type in GreyBeard Media, your go-to channel. Thank you so much all. Don't forget to like, share, hype and subscribe. We'll see you soon here Sunday.